Good afternoon, everyone present over here. Today, we the students of Computer Science and Engineering, second year, section B, are here to deliver a presentation on a topic, Wipro, one of the most developed IT company in India. Do you know Wipro is an acronym? Can anybody tell what does Wipro stands for? Yes. Anyone? Give a big round of applause for him. Can anybody tell what kind of products does Wipro make? Yes, you all are right, and give a big round of applause for yourself. The company was incorporated on 29 December 1947 by Mohammed Premji in Mumbai. Now, I would like to call Shashwat to tell you more about Wipro and the services provided by the Wipro.
Thank you, Pallavi, for introducing me. Now I am here to describe about the Wipro. Wipro is a company which provides IT solutions, services and corporate segments of India. Wipro Limited is first PCMM level 5 and SEI CMM level 5 certified company globally. It is the first company in the world to certified in 2002 for security standard. Presently, Wipro stands among top 100 technical companies in the world. Wipro provides us public type of services, and the industry of Wipro is IT services and consultancy. The headquarters of Wipro in Bangalore, Karnataka and India. Now I would like to call my friend Sailendri to describe about the history of Wipro. Thank you.
Thank you, Shashwat, for introducing me. I am Sailendri Rawat and I am here to tell all about the history of Wipro. Wipro company was incorporated on 29 December 1945 in Maharashtra by Mohammed Premji as Western India product written as Wipro. It was initially set up as a manufacturer and vegetable and refined oil in Maharashtra. In 1966, after Mohammed Premji's death, his son Azim Premji took over and Wipro has come a long way, emerging as a consumer care oil. Thank you. And now I would like to call my batchmate Pranjal, who will explain diversification of Wipro.
Thank you, Sailendri, for introducing me. Now I am here to something tell about the diversification of Wipro. In 1947, Wipro started as the manufacturer of vegetable oil and something like else. And further in 1975, the CEO of Wipro, Mr. Azim Premji, launched the fluid power and operation that manufactures pneumatic and hydraulic cylinders. In 1980, Wipro launched the IT services for domestic market, and in 1991, company's consumer care division expanded beyond to the new lighting business for domestic, commercial, and industrial environment and operation and soap, baby-like products and toiletries. Now, I would like to invite my batchmate Prabhat for continue the presentation.
Thank you, brother, for inviting me. It is a story of the most generous branch and person of the country. He is Mr. Azim Premji and the company is Wipro Western India Product. The journey of Wipro started earlier in 1947. This journey has been a most foremost journey of the country. At the age of 22, when Mr. Premji is doing BTech in Stanford University, his father suddenly died. At that moment, he realized to come back in India. And he just stays there and he headed the chair of CEO of the Wipro Limited. After that, he doesn't took back. And the result is that this company is providing 2.2 million employment till the date it has been opened. It is very much, I would like to tell the journey and the leadership quality that we must have to take from Mr. Ajim Premji. In 1960s, when the country is facing huge fought with China, battlefields are inaugurated in China, then he stands tall in the automobile sector and boost up the economy rate of the country. In 1991, when the country's gold reserves has been kept in America, then he stands tall and say that I will sell at least baby care products or lightning products, but I will stand tall in this country and make this country and company prosperous. In 2008, he has survived the global he has survived the recession of the which is globally affected the economy of the country. And it is a 53 years journey, and the result is that the revenue of Wipro increases 75,000 crore, which is more like $10 US billion, and the operating income it is started in 13,900 crore. Net income is US billion dollars 1.5. Number of employees, as I said, that 2.2 million, and total equity is 54,000 crore. It is the story of Mr. Premji and Wipro. For the next slide, I would like to call Mr. Pappu for.
Thank you, Prabhat, for inviting me. I would like to highlight training and development process of Wipro. Training and development refer to education activity within a company created to enhance knowledge and skill of employee. Wipro training period will be available for 3 months, and for external employee, training period will be 3 months, 15 days. Wipro training period will be 4 times. First is basic literacy skill training, and third is technical training. Second is I would like to call my friend Mr. Vikas for explain next topic.
Thank you, Pappu, for inviting me. Now I would like to tell you about benefits offered by Wipro. So Wipro is the company who spends near about 1% of its revenue on the training of his employees. He also started a program which is known as WESO, which stands for Wipro Employment Stock Organization, in which you can spend your money on the stocks of Wipro and also get rewards from it. Wipro also provides benefits like as health benefits. It gives you paid sick leaves, paternity leaves, etc. Wipro also provides you benefits of gymnasium, cafeterias, and city outings, country outings, and it also helps you to dislocate your locations. So Wipro is not only providing benefits to his employees, it also provides benefits to society. Ajim Premji, who is the owner of Wipro, is the first person of India who donated a lot of money to organizations. He also started his own organization known as Ajim Premji Foundation, who works in more than 6 states and 1 union territory. He works on the primary education of children and also opened his university in 2009. Ajim Premji is the only person who donated near about 97 billion rupees to his foundation, and approximately 27 crore rupees per day he donated. So I would like to tell you opportunity in Wipro. So Wipro does not discriminate between his employees. He does not discriminate you on the basis of your religion, age, sex, etc. Wipro gives you a full reliability of your capability and provides your best guidance under professionals. Now I would like to end this with a famous quote of Mr. Ajim Premji, and it is that success is get in 2 ways: first in your mind and then in the real world. Thank you. Now I would like to call Pallavi Singh to conclude this presentation.
Thank you, Viknath, for giving me opportunity to tell something about Wipro in more larger way. Wipro has a mass market business model with no significant differences between its customer, and its mission is to create a new kind of professional service firms that works on both business and IT executives with end-to-end solutions and create measurable value for clients. Thank you for my side, and if you have any queries, you can ask us.
Raise your hand and then ask question.
believe and purchase Wipro product also.
As Wipro is very concerned about our day-to-day routine life and it making our daily products, so you can trust on Wipro as it is giving a good quality material.
Is Wipro product based company or service based company?
It is both. It provides IT services and it provides products too, like you use in your day-to-day life, like washing powders, baking soda, soaps, etc. Yes.
Why Ajim Premji established the Wipro? Can you give me a strong reason?
He established Wipro to make a good interaction with the public, those who are not strong with their financial condition. He makes his product price so low that everyone can purchase it on the low amount. Yes.
In which area Wipro has started its first consulting services?
In Mumbai, Maharashtra.
I'm saying in which field?
In which field?
Yes.
I think product sector. I'm not sure about it, but I think.
Vegetable oils and vanaspati and ghee.
I'm saying that its consulting services is started in which area?
Sorry.
Consulting services.
Sorry. Anyone else?
Anyone else?
Yes.
Stand up and talk.
How, as you know, Wipro used to sell vegetable at starting. So how it turns to IT company?
I would like to call my batchmate to answer this question.
So what is your question, sir? Can you repeat?
Wipro used to sell vegetable at starting. So how it turned to IT company?
So you're saying that it is started with vegetable selling and it grew as IT sector industry. So this is a very important question. We have to learn the leadership skill as the country needs. You have to change your ideas. In 1975, the country is in emergency. At that period of time, he stood tall and gave an opinion to the country people that we have to grow up our automobile sector. Because in that period of time, India is too much have to make things about automobiles and manufacturing. In 1980s, when the IT revolution started, in that period of time, when the computer has been discovered, at that period of time, he understands that if I will go this path, with the path of IT and technology, then this will boom up. And he has started this thing, and the result is that the company is at the boom of IT and is employing 2.2 million. And I wish you can also go there. Thank you.
One, two, three.
Thank you.